There we go. The battery's sealed too. Alright. So we're just gonna unscrew him. Look at that. I'm about to be busting this bitch. It be hella like squirrels and lizards and shit around my crib. I'm finna be shooting the fuck out them niggas. Stupid ass niggas. I did a beatbox challenge too, y'all. Should I post it? What you say, bitch? Bro, use YouTube reading the instructions. You a YouTuber, right? I'm a fucking YouTuber, bitch. I'm a fucking rapper, bitch. What was I supposed to do? Fuck. I done broke this shit, man. Is you supposed to put it in deep? No homo? I only got one box of these bitches. I can't fuck up again now. Shit ain't cheap. I guess I put it in too deep. I'm just put it right there. Keep it right at the little tip. Now let the air out. You ain't supposed to let the fucking air out. That's how you supposed to shoot this shit, right? I punched a hole in it, that's why. You ain't supposed to do that. You're supposed to let the shit punch the hole in it. When you get a new tat. I wanted to do a tattoo on my neck. I want to tap my neck up, but I'm like, man, I know I want to be in a movie at some point. So it's like, should I do that shit? That's what I really want to do. Let me see if this bitch busts. Two-tone AK, yeah, I bust. Come on, bitch. Shoot one for me. Let a nigga know what's up. This bitch fully auto, too. Why is this bitch not shooting? I know one of y'all got a damn... Don't do it. No more tattoos. Your tattoos. He done broke it. Nah, this shit's supposed to work. Turn it all the way. Gotta be so quick to see what you want to get up. You gotta screw it in fast to seal it. Oh, okay. Y'all some shooters, huh? DDG squad full of BB gun experts. All right. Just screw it in quick. Got you. Say less. My nigga. I fuck with y'all. Listen to it. There we go. We in there. We in there like swimwear, man. I'm finna be busting it hoe. I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all better than Google. I be asking y'all shit. Turn up. Real niggas. Real niggas. All right, y'all. Let's see how that bitch go then. Shoot, bitch. Don't be scared. Maybe I gotta put a bullet in it, huh? You can't dress no more. I don't be trying to dress. That's the crazy part. Like, I just like to wear shit like this. 260,000. That's what I like. I just throw on this shit. You know what I mean? Go look what Bill Gates look like. That nigga can't dress either. Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg, both of them niggas dusty as hell. Dusty ass niggas. Let me put some bullets in it. It be the dustiest niggas with the most money, I'm trying to tell you. I ain't dusty, though. I just don't have the brain capacity to be working out and shit. I mean, not working out, but getting dressed and shit. Y'all think I'm gonna lose this boxing match? You gotta feed her. When the mask dropping. Man, I was trying to drop them bitches today to tape drop, but they wasn't ready yet, so I was like, I'm gonna just wait. It must be a 30-round clip. These BBs dangerous though, y'all, so I'm gonna only use this shit outside. Well, I'm gonna shoot my punching bag and see if that bitch go through it or something. I'll leave it at that. Slow this all out though. Let me shoot my eye out, y'all. Where my experts at? Am I doing it right? Do I gotta have bullets in it for it to shoot? I shot the music video to Treat Me Right too. When y'all want that. That's my favorite song on the whole project, so I'm excited for that to come out. I'm shooting a little pickup scene tomorrow for it. Finish off the video. Drop it Friday. It ain't done yet. I just shot it. But I think I'm gonna go ahead. I was gonna drop this little beatbox shit today. But then I seen Lee Chopper posted one, so I'm like, you know what? Let me wait. I want my own day, my own beatbox day. So I might just drop that bitch tomorrow randomly for y'all. Just to have some fun with it, man. Show niggas I be rapping, not capping. All right. I need to be careful. This bitch don't work, y'all. It gotta be like some type of it is fully auto, so I'm guessing it's some type of battery situation that go on in this bitch. Or something. Cause this shit is not working. Let me see. What's in there? CO2's in there, man. Shit all the way in there, man. That bitch ready to go. Ready to pop. It's on safety. Turn the safety off. Do y'all not know I got fucking ARs and bazookas upstairs, my nigga? Like, don't tell me about no safety, nigga, because I blame your uncle. I'll shoot the shit out your weak ass uncle. Pussy ass uncle you got. Your uncle's a true bitch. I fuck with you, but your uncle is a bitch, nigga. And you know that shit. You know your uncle a bitch ass nigga. But I ain't gonna trip on him. Cause that's your peoples and shit, but tell that nigga stay from around me before I pop his ass. For real, all street shit. Knock a nigga, leave that shit in the streets. Let's see. Ooh, that bitch bust. Get a little bit of blowback on that bitch. A little bit of blowback. I'm a fucking animals up. Check this out. Cool little blowback. A little bit of action. A little bit of action. What can I shoot that's like you gonna fuck up? But excuse me. Let me see. I'ma just see if I can hit. I'm gonna go for the yellow joint. This is a nice. Woo! This bitch feel like a scrap. Oh my God. That was auto. That was fully auto. How many bullets I got left? Come in the crib. I ain't gonna shoot you with the real shit. I'm gonna shoot you with the BB gun. Did y'all hear that shit? Oh my God, this bitch is crazy. It cost $200. I got it from a place called Big Five. Oh, you extend it out? This bitch tough, man. I feel like I'm in Call of Duty. Oh my God, this bitch is crazy. This is wild. If there's any squirrels watching this, watch this shit. Let me show y'all, man. I bought this for niggas like this. This little pussy nigga right here. This nigga right here don't even know. I wanna got the scrap for it, pussy ass, man. Pussy ass nigga. I wanna got the motherfucking scrapper for him, boy. For real. Little niggas like you get killed. For real. Let's see what that aim look like. Let me put it on semi. I don't wanna fully it. Put it on the Simpson. Put it on the Simpson. Here we go. Let me zoom in. I'm about to fuck dog up. I'm gonna do one just to see if like he got away. Aim a little off here. This the one. I know you feel that shit, bitch. Don't have me putting holes in my wall if you ain't gonna die, pussy bitch. Now I gotta get close range. Now I gotta get close range on a nigga. Now I gotta get close range. That's what gotta happen, huh? Bitch ass nigga. Ah! Getting close. Getting close. Y'all see that hole close to him? That hole real close.